Hoy, mag-grocery kami. Gigisingin ko na tong isa. At anong oras na? Good morning.
Good morning.
Love you.
Oh,
We need to wake up now. We have to go grocery, sir.
mm?
We have to go grocery, sir.
What time now?
2 p.m.
What?
2 p.m.
2?
Ganyan yung mga reaction. 11 na. You wanna eat paratha first? Pick up na, my love. Order na paratha. Good morning, my love.
Good morning.
Pick up ka na. Look at the sun. It's sunning. Ako, inatake siya ng pagiging Aussie. Lilinisin pa bago lumabas. Ganun ko siya ginigising. Malumanay. Buti nga bumangon agad. Minsan 30 minutes yan nakayakap lang. We talked last night that we will go grocery. So we really have to wake up. Simula na ang K Toretto with Uzair. Finally traveling with someone! Baby na.
Yeah, so much.
Let's go! We go to Malaysia. I'm too much laughing na. For example, we go to Malaysia. You finish the airport, you finish the immigration. Then you jump. Hey, welcome to Malaysia! I'm too much laughing in my dreams. You know what I say? If I want paratha, this is my answer.
So everybody, this is me, Uzair, and baby is torture me.
I what?
You torture me.
What did I do? What did I do?
I don't know, but you
Huh?
nothing,
Answer.
nothing.
I only asked you one question. Are you good or bad by this morning?
I'm also good by now.
Also? So what is the bad? What?
Things.
Huh?
Things.
What is the bad?
Things.
Are you sure?
You sure not? Thing is not good for us. Okay, China growth.
Oh, everybody, so eto na, we are heading to the grocery store. So we're gonna go to Santos Mall. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nakita tsaka ko, tsura ko. We no longer have clothes. All our clothes are dirty.
30.
Yeah, so we need to, ano ba yung vlog ko eh? Ikaw nga babe, ikaw na lang mag-vlog. Pagod na ako. The mountain view.
Look, the mountain view is too much pretty.
Ang ganda.
Yes.
The weather's really
You
nice.
see this mountain now, you think, you wish you go now the mountain. Tomorrow we go mountain,
Sure, morning time?
morning time. We visit all mountain, all walk.
I will think about it. At ano na? You want
Too
it?
much chill point, babe.
You want or
Yeah, I want too
Sure.
much. Wallah.
For the vlog or you really want?
No, I really want.
Oh, you really want?
The
Okay.
vlog is we're telling what we do us. We're telling about like everyone.
Kaya a lot of you are requesting kasi for us to do like a casual vlog. So this is the casual vlog, literal na casual. Mamimili, mag-grocery ganon. This is like how their mall looks like here in Islamabad. Ganyan siya. Ayan siya. Babe. Babe, why you buy too much? Huh?
The babe is only see.
Yeah.
Do not try anything. Look. See.
Everybody, we have finished the shopping. So, ayun. We're heading to somewhere. We're gonna be sending a package. And after that, we'll be heading back home. Nakita-kita tayo mamayang gabi kung ano pang mga magiging ganap namin later. To those who's like asking, like, just make a casual vlog. Yung casual na like life or what we do here in Pakistan. This is like the casual here. So, ayun. Ang ganda ng view doon, no? May mountaining. Ang ganda, oh. Super bet. Nag-aaya si Uzair mag-hiking. My gosh. Hindi ako makasagot. Babe!
Anytime the in drivers missing the pick point.
Yeah,
pick-up
always.
point.
Always.
We go another days.
You hungry, babe?
Wallah.
You hungry?
Yes.
Bakit ka galit?
We
Galit.
don't find a exact location.
Namimili kami ni Uzair ng pang-adobo ko. What is this dirty? Ay! My God, kuya, nilagyan mo si sumisenyas agad. Maarte yan si Uzair, alam niyo ba? Lagyan mo na ng konting alikabok yan, lilinis ka na agad. Oh. Ayaw yan, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Namimili kami ni Uzair ng gulay. Oh. Ang pwedeng diba? Sabi niyo kasi gusto niyo ng casual vlog. O sige, yan, gumawa talaga ako ng literal na casual na vlog. Diba? You want it? I'll give it. Ganon. May luya ba?
Bus.
What is this? Turmeric? Yes, turmeric.
Yeah.
Any ginger? Yes, ginger, babe. Ayun na, babe. Oh. Small. Only small.
How much, sir?
How much, babe? EXO? 130. O, diba? Dalawang sibuyas, dalawang bawang. Maliit na ginger. 130. So, mga ano yun sa pesos. Ano ba? 20, 30, ganyan. Babe, what I will cook?
Adobo.
Adobo.
Yeah.
And egg again?
Yes.
Wala, babe. Sorry for the rice.
It's okay now. Even manage.
I have a chicken. Babe, honest review, ha? And if you don't like it, don't eat it. It's okay. No problem. Cannot feel bad.
Wallah,
This
it's
is not
good.
Nice.
I hit the egg for you. Babe, only half energy. Binasag mo naman yung buong itlog. Uy, ano ka ba? Kaloka.
टाइप करें तो मैं पैसा टाइप करोगी
Everybody, it is K Toretto here.
And it is Uzair.
For tonight's video, tara, samahan nyo kami. We're just gonna have our dinner. So, have dinner with my boyfriend. Tara, sama ko kayo. Ganda. Gandang bata.
No, ganda mandata.
Sabi mo, babe, ganda.
Ganda.
Ganda mo.
Ganda mo?
At nandito na tayo sa may kainan. Mag-chapli kebab kami. Let's go. Hi everybody, so ayun nga, for tonight's video, I'm just gonna have dinner with my boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
You can put it here, oh, you know. So ayun na nga everybody, so we're just gonna have our dinner, we're gonna share you, kain lang kaming dalawa. Mahilig siya spicy.
Nice.
Ako naman natotolerate ko naman yung spicy, pero siya super spicy talaga.
My all happiness for my babe.
What do you mean?
I see my babe that I am happy too much.
Really?
Really?
Ganda ko, narinig niyo yan. You see me and then you're happy?
Yeah. Too much hair.
You say babe because
I forget my problems. I see you.
Ganda. Ganda
No?
mo. Ganda ng ilong na ito talaga. Ito yung nagdadala eh. What do you like about me?
I like your eyes. I like your lips. I like your hair. I like your all.
You like me all? Thank you very much.
Into my life.
Ito may Sabi ko sa inyo, mag-jowa kayo ng soft-spoken. Opa. Ay, tining. After this, we will have chai, ah. Because long time I did not drink the chai.
Okay. I know. You don't drink
Yeah.
long time chai, eh?
5 days.
You don't drink last night chai. Oh, I know.
I ordered.
You don't drink morning time coffee. I know. Yeah.
I'm too much sad na because of this na.
Yeah, you don't eat before 10 days, you know? Yeah. You hungry?
Yeah.
I know.
I need chai.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Now, 4 days come. Look.
Nice.
Kebab. Tell me what's this?
And this is my favorite raita.
My favorite na yan.
It's too much spicy.
Babe, how do you call this?
Raita.
Raita. But different raita.
Yeah. Chutney.
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 May favorite niya. Narap
Yeah,
mo ba?
it's my favorite.
Whew, sarap. Go. It's hot, babe. It's gonna.
Say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah. Now start.
Now start eating. Let's go. Loko mo ako. Sumubukan.
Nice.
This is really good.
Guys,
So good.
please
Please
like, share,
Thank you.
subscribe,
Thank you
and
very
bell
much.
please. Okay?
Thank you very much,
Thank you
babe.
very much.
Di ba ang soft-spoken na, babe? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ang soft-spoken ng jowa ko, shucks. Pinanalangin ko yung ganyang jowa. Yung soft-spoken, para pag gumigising ka, kalmado, panyapa, ganoon.
It's too much. Wallah.
Slowly,
I will
ayan ka
try.
na naman sa chili,
I
ha?
will try.
Go. Mamaya namumula na naman yung mukha mo. Cheers. Ayoko ng OA na babe, this chili is not too much spicy, no? Normal. The last
But
time.
before, oh my god.
Then we walk to the park, babe. We have chai and then we walk to the park. Saida,
Shaida, how do you feel
about?
about you ate kebab, chapli kebab?
It's good. I like it. It's
हमने
my
दो
favorite.
कैच भेजा अपनी चटनी बड़ी
Only
मजे
egg. Only egg. Second round, everybody. Very small na lang.
Yeah. So guys, we are finished him and we are going to the drink chai. Let's go, babe.
Bebe, let's go. One, two, three.
Boom.
Hi everybody, we have arrived here sa park.
Ek,
To,
do,
tin. Eh! Yakan niya.
Too much. Oh my god. I'm go wrong side. Babe, I look you.
Yeah.
Oh.
I look you.
Wait, look. Yeah. Bye-bye.
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 No, I don't want.
Oh.
Hi, babe. Babe. Maybe, babe, I go back to the Philippines.
Let's go. Where do you go?
Philippines.
Philippines, Dubai, Spain,
Spain.
Malaysia.
Spain, babe, Spain.
Okay. Turn right side, okay? Yeah.
Stop na, babe. Stop na. Here?
Yes.
Okay. Where you go? Babe, careful the head!
Okay.
Hindi ka pa rin mawala ng asawa, gagi! Where
Where
you
we
go?
go?
Spain.
Spain.
Spain. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Turn
We go
right,
to-
okay?
Me go. Guys,
Babe,
me
I'm
go. to-
scared na, no? Baka
Guys.
ma-fall ka.
Guys, me
Mapilay
go
ka pa,
to-
ayaw ko nga.
Spain. Okay, babe.
Okay, Spain.
Fix the map. Me go to Spain. Yes.
Babe, bas na!
Okay.
Maano yung ulo mo?
Stop.
Natakot.
Wait.
Babe, slowly yan. Ay! Ba't ka naman tumatalon?
No.
Maybe you get accident.
No, I know. You know, I'm this. This. I'm full speed and then I jump in.
Asawa ko, Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. 5 seconds not laughing. Even the face, ha? No smiling also, not counted. Like face like this, babe. Dead face, okay?
I see you are smiling.
I know. But, okay, go. 2.
No. Very slow count.
We will work hard. We become successful together.
Inshallah. I think.
Ayaw niya ng fighting. Nonchalant talaga siya.
You tell us, we are not fighting. We are. Just wait. You understand? I understand. Yes or no?
Because everything is the same thing.
I said. Okay, boss, you smiling. Oh, my babe. My babe.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Oh. Ano na?